welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Blondie Next Door. Today's video is going to be Power Hour video. I haven't done one of these for some time and I'm excited to do so. I only have an hour, maybe a little bit less. I just put my little one to sleep, and before she wakes up and before my son comes back from school, I want to finish some things. So we're gonna start right now, but before we start, I want to just tell you that this video is in collaboration with my very good friend here on YouTube. Her name is Faith. She is a mom of two sweet little boys, mom of twins, and she's also a working mom, and she is doing a YouTube. On her channel you can find a lot of cleaning videos, meal prep videos, lifestyle, fashion, all kinds of motherhood videos. So if any of that sounds good to you, don't forget to go ahead to her channel, check it out, and subscribe to her channel. Tell her you're coming from my channel. I'm sure she would like to know you a little bit better.
Hey everyone, my name is Faith Matini and I am a single mom to twin boys. On my channel I make content on motherhood, lifestyle, and cleaning. And just like Yelena, I also have a Power Hour Clean With Me video that I know you're going to enjoy. So once you're done watching her video, definitely come and stop by my channel. I would love to have you. I know you're also going to like my video just the same that you like Yelena's video. So come check me out and see what I'm about as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my channel.
I'm gonna have her channel linked in the description box down below, so you can go ahead and click on it to find it easy. And now let's go ahead and start with this Power Hour video. So this is my list. I want to put a meal in an Instant Pot, clean the kitchen, clean the microwave and the stove top, clean the refrigerator doors, and fold the laundry. This time I didn't want to make a huge list because I knew I didn't have a lot of time and I wanted to finish it all. Over here you see me putting the meatballs in the Instant Pot. I actually made these meatballs myself, and if you want to see the recipe, I will probably show it to you on my Instagram soon, so make sure you follow me over there too. And now on to the cleaning. I'm not going to talk too much throughout this video. Everything is self-explanatory, so I hope you enjoyed this video, enjoy the music, get motivated, or just sit back and enjoy watching it.
change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. 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 I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care of you, care of you, care of you. This is what we.
That's it, guys. My 1 hour is almost up. I think I have a few minutes spare. I have to go ahead and take care of my son who just came back from school. The only thing I have left on my list is cleaning the refrigerator door, but I can do it a little bit later. It takes only a few minutes. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. It helps promote my channel on YouTube. Also, if you're new to my channel and if you're coming from Faith's channel, I would love to hear from you. So tell me your name and a few words about yourself in the comments down below. And if you liked my channel and this video, please consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to check out Faith's channel. I'm gonna have it linked in the description box, and her 1 hour power hour cleaning video. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.